Alrighty guys, well, here's a little different video for you. Down here at the barn, just doing night chores, and oh my goodness, just brought the bucks in. Male goats, for those of you that don't know. Of course, open up the back door here to the barn. And the cows wanting to come in. But it's a nice night. We're not going to bring you guys in tonight. Oh, malls. So these guys are... Well, these guys should be starting to calve in about a month, sometime in the beginning of March. So, there's a horse. Probably have a hard time seeing if I'm in the shadow, eh? Yeah, you guys can't really see probably over there. There's more cows over there though. I'm not even sure what the temperature is tonight. It'd be probably around, oh, maybe -5. We got a little skiff of fresh snow there today. About an inch or so. Helps clean things up, make things look clean anyway. We've been lucky so far this year. We haven't, not that it's a big deal, but we haven't even had to water the cows yet. They're still drinking down out of the gully. So there's the rabbits that we have just loose in the barn. One's a buck and one's a doe. I think the front one there is the doe. Yeah, I don't think she can have babies anymore. So we just let her loose instead of whacking her. And then the male, instead of having him in a cage, just has them loose out here. Been having to use the old sump hole on these warmer days. Water tends to come in. But like I was saying in an earlier video, I think this sump hole, it's got a pipe in the side of it, and I think that's actually where the water's coming in. So if we could seal that up somehow, I think we'd probably eliminate that hole filling up so much. But anyway. And we're trying to decide whether or not we want to sell this guy or keep him. Yeah, keep him to eat. Originally, that was our plan. He was born late last spring, kind of early summer. Yeah, I think it was in June. So early summer, I guess. But when he was born, he was only, I don't know, 50, 60 pounds. He was tiny. And originally our plan was to just keep him and then we'd butcher him this coming spring or fall. But now we're just kind of wondering if maybe we shouldn't sell him. So if anybody's looking for a steer, we got one for you. He does have horns, so if we decide that we're going to sell him, we'll have to knock the horns off of him. If we're going to just butcher him up ourselves, well, not a big deal if the horns stay on him. This is the pen of bucks. They spend most days outside as long as it's decent out. So why do you got three bucks?
My husband doesn't know I have 3.
No, your husband knows that you have 3 bucks. Seems a bit of a waste. I had one bull for 15 cows, but she's got 3 bucks for 3 does. Your cord's really starting to crack here, eh?
Yeah, I saw that.
A bit of an electrical hazard. Not good. Why do you... I guess it's been freezing, eh?
And theirs could be unplugged now, I guess. It's in that other fan.
Unplug it?
There you go.
So here are the 2 babies that were born 2 nights ago. They were born unassisted, totally fine. And actually just posted the black one there. It's the boy. And she posted online tonight for sale. As a bottle baby. So again, if you're looking for a little buck goat that you want for a pet, look us up. And then that's the other buck. That one had 2 kids yesterday morning. The doe kid died. It was stuck in the birth canal, and it looked like the placenta had already separated before it was even born. So it was born dead, but the buck kid, Jess is just kind of giving it a hand there, making sure that it's going to drink off of mom. She did bring it up to the house there yesterday morning after it was born, just to kind of get it warmed up a bit. And she actually got some milk into it off a bottle. But as he warmed up, he was starting to stand up and wanted to make a go of life, so she brought him back down, and he's never looked back. And then here's the other does that are to still kid. So there's 3 in here. And they're not until, what, March and April? Yeah. So pretty spread out. Not sure why. Should be giving me big balls over my cows if the cows were spread out like that. But anyway.
You done?
Never. And then, of course, the zillion chickens that are running around in here, and ducks.
What about the rabbit?
Is that the mean one there?
The black one. Where he is.
That one? Yeah, that one that just went around the corner. He chases the kids, so he won't be lasting too long. We've definitely been loving the cement floor in here though this year. That was well worth the money and time and effort of doing that. No regrets there, that's for sure. And then in here she's got her chickens. So right now she's got them separated by breed. I don't know, these are purebred something. Those are purebred somethings down there. Because she's got incubators full of hatching eggs. And then of course there's the baby rabbits. More baby rabbits. It's kind of dark in here right now. There's another light over here, but it was freaking out one night. And I went to adjust it and it busted. So, needless to say, we gotta get another bulb. Anyway, all the chickens up on their roost there for the night. Anyway.
You should have brought that the spruce down.
Oh yeah. When we were out in the truck there today, we stopped and just cut a bunch of little spruce trees on the side of the road for the goats. Little guy's like, "What are you doing with my supper?"
It looks like she's been getting enough. Look at the size of her.
Out there checking out the chickens.
She's like a quarter of her size.
And no, this isn't milk for us to drink.
Done.
This is just, yeah, Jess is just milking her out so that she stays in milk.
We're hoping to maybe get a calf. Feed it to.
What's that?
She's hard to milk. This is the third time today I've milked her.
Oh, really?
Just trying to get her production up, right? So she can...
Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little video. And checking out the farm animals. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Till next time, guys. Ciao.